Hey Savvy people, it's SavvyNik here, and today I'm going to be playing Veloren again, exploring the world, chasing fireflies, having some fun. So I'm here on the Veloren.net website where they have information about what they've done this week. So Veloren week 84 here. Hi everyone, welcome to the stream. So really what they've done here is they said that there's a new version of Airshipper. So that's the program that updates Veloren and the client. That's new. Let's see, compilation breakdown. So I kind of read through this. They really just talk about how the various different parts of Veloren and how long they take to compile. So they're trying to work on, I think, making the compilation speed a little quicker. It's a very interesting read. They get pretty detailed here, honestly. It's interesting to see from the developer's point of view, you know, what they have to, what kind of challenges that they have. So it says, you know, how the process runs as a function of time here. Let's see what kind of units these are. Number units, and then seconds. Not sure what the number units are, but so it's a breakdown of timing of each unit. Anyways, it's quite interesting. Not doesn't seem like a bunch of in-game updates, but they're working hard. All right, back to the chat. Waiting intensifies. Songtronics, welcome to the stream. Thanks for stopping by today. Christ Show, nice to have you. Yeah, I was surprised when I looked at that, up to 40 minutes to compile. So I know on my computer it only takes about maybe 10, 15 minutes tops. So I'm just lucky that I have something powerful enough to compile quickly. R. Smith, welcome to the stream. Nice to have you here. So Sandra, welcome to the stream. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for letting everyone know. Make sure to go ahead and smash that like button if you're stopping in. It really does help support the channel. Make sure to do it now. Don't forget. All right, let's go ahead and let's launch good old Veloren and start playing around. Let's check it out. Cryshow, thanks for that. How is everyone today? I don't know if you can hear that music in the background, but that's coming directly from Veloren right now. Let's see if I can turn that up a little bit. I got some pretty good music in here. That's one thing I've noticed. But it's hit or miss with me. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. See, I got into the game and all of a sudden it stopped working for me. That's too bad. Oh, it's popping back up. We're good. So we said maybe we're going to chase some fireflies, and it's a perfect time to do so because it is night. Copcat's here. Might as well add Copcat into the party. Nice to see you again. Copcat's in the party. Welcome, Copcat. I'm searching for fireflies. If anyone else decides to join in on the fun, make sure to let me know in the chat, and I'll go ahead and add you to the party. Christ Show, any comment on video adds to YouTube algorithm so you can type a lot of junk? Does that apply to live stream? I think it's more of the likes more than anything that really gets you seen on YouTube in general. Sure, if there's a bunch of conversation going on, the YouTube algorithm's going to pick up on that, but I don't think it has as much weight as it does with, you know, the liked like and dislikes really join together. I don't think the YouTube algorithm, here's our first Firefly. I don't think the YouTube algorithm discriminates against whether or not they're likes or dislikes. It just wants to see that there's a lot of engagement with whatever video, stream, whatever's happening. I don't know if, well, man, it's some good soundtrack. I'm pretty sure it is made by the users here. So maybe one of the admins can mention more about exactly how it's made, but I'm pretty sure it's just user submitted. They're great, really great. Alright, so in search of fireflies, I think we need to go towards the river. So let's look for a river in the map. Closest one I see is up here. That's where I'm going. Let's see. What direction am I facing? That's north. Let's check this out, north here. Japanese emo dude, welcome to the stream. Wish I could join, but supper's on its way. You could always eat supper and play at the same time. Just don't make a mess on your computer. So the music is now stopped. And it might take a little while before it plays again. So what I will do is play my own. Let me make sure I get that turned down though. There we go. Actually, I think it picked right back up in the game. Yes, it did. Let's listen to some more in-game music instead. Kill the fireflies. I'm pretty sure you can't kill the fireflies in this game. Eat the fireflies. I don't know that I'm going to see many fireflies anymore. It's already daylight outside. It'd be nice to find... Oh! I was just about to say it'd be nice to find a beehive, and look what we have here. Here's another new little thing added to the game. Beehives. It's kind of cool. You can see the little bees flying in and out. And then an alligator decides to attack me out of nowhere. Consume the tiger. Become the tiger. The tiger has been consumed. Confirmed. Copcat's doing their own thing over here, just gliding around. So this is the first time I've seen a beehive. Wonder if we could actually do anything with it. Can't really interact, it seems like. Burn them. It'd be funny, yeah. Set a campfire right underneath, really tick off the bees. Copcat's taking care of it. Got the bow and arrow. Honey. Yeah, I like honey, honestly. Not the app, but actual honey. We got some more music going on. Alright, so we're hitting up by the river a little bit here. It's a little ridge line, it looks like, up there. So we're here down in this valley. Ty, welcome to the chat. Who's that wrench? Uh-oh. KT and XD got caught. Linus Tech Tips. Yeah, we got Linus moderating today. All right. Switchbacks over here on this river. Look at this. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. We got a bald eagle hanging out. Must be a majestic river over here. They've really done a good job with the soundtrack and the noises in the while you're fighting. And this is the time to hear a word from our sponsor. No sponsor. How much memory does the game consume? That's a great question. Let me see if I can pull that up. I don't know if I can or not. So if I pull up System Monitor, it's about 740 megabytes. It's a good question. I've never actually checked that out. Not too bad. Oh, here's like a beaver or something. This is a new animal that they added in. Looks good. They did a good job. Looks cute. Another beehive up there. I like the beehives. Kill the beaver. Jeez, Cryshow. How much does it weigh? When you mean weigh, what do you mean by weigh? How much storage space does it take up? I'm not sure. I haven't really checked that all out. That'd be a mess to check out right now, so I'm not going to look at it. I got to find out. I don't even know where they store the game on the computer right now, so oh man, I got a wolf on me. Can I tame it? Let's see if I can tame this wolf. Nope, it said no. So it must die. Well, if they look anything like that, Copcat, yeah, I bet they do look pretty dang cute. Here's an owl, snowy owl. I don't know what it's doing here in the middle of the forest here. You'd think it'd be in the mountains. No, I'm just kidding. There's no snow here though. Google wants to know your location real quick. Please say yes. How much on the GPU? That's a good question too. I wonder if I could pull that up. Tortoise is chasing down Copcat over there in the corner. So here we go. We have my NVIDIA settings here. Total memory here is 6 gigs. Currently in use. What do we got? About 24%. Well, so saying about a gig being used, but that's between all my applications and stuff that I have running. I got quite a bit running in order to stream, so not all of that's Veloren. Yeah, Tor is a good way at least to help spoof your IP address in Linux if you want to use it. I really like the way what they did with their water here. It looks great. I was having all sorts of trouble with that, all sorts of weird looking water not that long ago, but they've they fixed that right up. Looks real good. Imagine calling them applications. That's probably what I'm used to. So, Quokkas, maybe I'm pronouncing that right, maybe probably not. On an island with no natural predators, they even smile at the cameras. Wow. How did they become so human friendly? Is this your pet? This must be your pet tortoise. It's not a... That thing's been chasing you forever there, Copcat. I was wondering what was going on with that. And Copcat, if you want to talk in the game chat, feel free to. I'll try reading from there instead to make it a little easier on you. Not sure how easy it is to go back and forth there. So who's seen the new Manjaro 20.1? I saw some people on Discord talking about it, and I believe one person was actually installing it. Anything good there? Christ-show, what do they got going on? Is there anything new? I thought I read that they were defaulting to ZSH. Oh no, the tortoise is dying. But they're so cute. Why would you do that? They're friends, not enemies. So I'm level 48 now. It'd be kind of nice to get to 50. Maybe we could do a dungeon raid. I was hoping to see a little bit of fireflies. I think we saw a total of like one little firefly out in the middle of the woods. I hear that they're more abundant here on the rivers. But I think we got quite a while, let's see, before night. So we got about maybe 8 hours before nighttime. I think this would be the perfect place to see them. Ooh, oak trees. So what does a multi-core CPU mean from Christ-show? Whoa, we just found a cave. Maybe we could do a little cave run. So a multi-core CPU, it just means that you have more than one unit that's capable of processing on your entire CPU. So let's say if you only had a single core, there's only one thing that can actually perform logical operations on your computer. If you have two, you can do more. And let's see. I'm not sure what the specs on Veloren are. We're here in the cave now, checking it out. You might want to check it out online. So is this game similar with Minecraft or something? I mean, what should you do in the game? How must you play the game? That's from Mihai there. So right now the game is fairly new and still being developed. So there's the best you can do right now is kind of explore, go through dungeons, go through caves, report bugs, and just have a good old time trying to play a free and open source game. So there's the main stuff to do is really just the dungeons and caves and exploring with trying to kill monsters and stuff like that, getting items. There's still no NPC interactions. I know that they're working on stuff like factions, improving, you know, the overall just gameplay. I think they're working on trying to improve the visibility during night. They're just going to be adding quite a bit to the game. It's not like Minecraft where you can just, you know, build and just do whatever you want, but more like a classic RPG. I don't know. Can you kill a pet on accident? Maybe you can. I think the turtle's gone anyway, sadly. Is that Copcat 100? Dang. Level 100. Someone's been grinding lately. Do you have a Veloren scepter? Let's see. I have a scepter of regeneration. I could help you regenerate some health. I don't know what a Veloren scepter is. Is that a new item? Oh, it is a new item. 20 twigs, 10 Veloren fragments, and some shiny gems with a craftsman hammer. I didn't realize there's some new items there. Oh, you can make a bomb, blow stuff up in the game. Okay. So is this just a little better than... what is that? Heals? Oh, I gotta get that. That's awesome. Did you have one, Copcat? Satish, welcome back to the stream. Thanks for stopping by. Glad to see you again. Oh, wow. Yeah, I really need to get one of those. Heals 70 instead of 15. That's incredible. I like Copcat's strategy here. Just gather all the mobs real quick and then have them just beat down on you while you kill them all. Alright, we got some music coming back in the game. Far and few in between there. Huh, Satish. I don't know what's going on. You're not the first person to report that. Yeah, usually people get notified by email if they have the notification bell hit. So make sure you do. That way you can join in on the streams right away. Instead of midstream. But yeah, I don't know. I've had issues in the past myself. YouTube just doesn't seem to be able to get their stuff together when it comes to that, and I don't know. You'd think it'd be pretty simple, but I guess the overall system's very complicated. So a lot of bloat when dealing with changes, I'm sure. Got to go through a lot of hoops and a lot of different departments in order to get anything really accomplished, I'm sure, at a huge corporation like that. But yeah, I've heard users report that for many weeks and months, and so maybe one day everyone gets it. Really? 40 minutes after you join the stream. That's crazy. Yeah. I mean, Sandro, I also agree that they're a little messed up, but at the same time, you know, it can't be perfect. It's hard to... You look at a company with like almost endless resources, if not endless resources, and they can't do it right. You imagine having some small indie programming company come in and try making a streaming platform and a video platform and do that right. It's not that easy when it comes down to it, I guess, at the end of the day, maybe. Another is YouTube punish legit guys, makes guys do illegal stuff to get, I guess, to get rich. How? I'm not sure I follow there, Sandro. What exactly do you mean with that comment? Maybe you could expand a little bit. YouTube tries to actually make themselves like really divorce themselves of any kind of ownership. So like when it comes to copyrights and stuff like that, that's really handled, you know, claims, that's really handled by the creator and the people, you know, making the strike. So it's an interesting system, you know, because YouTube does take a portion of what everyone earns on YouTube, yet they don't support the people that are on YouTube to you know, handle those types of claims and stuff like that, because a lot of them, I mean, most of them are probably bogus claims. People think that they own stuff that they really don't, and they can just make a claim and you have to dispute it. Yeah, I haven't really messed with Twitch, but I've heard things about it too. Stream on Facebook, yeah, no thanks. I'm not a fan of Facebook, just in general. Oh, sorry, Copcat. I didn't see your message there. Wait. I will stop after this troll. And relax. Let me know when you're ready. Does YouTube earn or lose money? I don't know how they could lose money. Satish, are you talking to me there on the are you a student? Because no, I'm not a student anymore. Left that behind a few years ago. What's that? Oh, cool. Now when you pick stuff up, you get some noises as well. I didn't notice that earlier. Oh, that's a cool hammer. Wow. I've never... Is this new? Man, that looks really good. You know what's a little goofy? I just noticed that the weapons are actually sized to the character. Like if you're bigger, clearly this elf-looking character is bigger than the, what is that, Denari character. Huh. Wow. Rarest weapon in the game. Well, thanks for sharing, Copcat. Let me know if I can give that back to you later so you can hand it out. Surprisingly, so is this better than the okay, so it's the same attack as the cultist warhammer. Oh, I gotcha. Yeah, I can see you wielding it now. I forgot. Make your own streaming service. You can mark something for copyright and have it taken down. Yeah. Veloren crashes at startup. Help. You'll probably have to get help from the Veloren community. I'm not going to be able to help much with that. Yeah, that's the biggest problem. The amount of storage and the amount of bandwidth you have in order to host a video streaming service. I mean, unless you got millions and billions of dollars like YouTube, it's hard to manage with this volume. You'd almost have to, let's see, kind of vet videos before they come through. All right, it's dark out here. Maybe we can find a few fireflies around. So now we're completely away from a river. Nice cave raid there, Copcat. Thanks for leading the way. Oh, I see one little firefly all alone over here. Hanging out. Doing its thing. Oh, a couple of them around the tree. So let's see. Are we close enough to a river? So that's where we started from. Let's see. That is due east. Let's try going east real quick to find that. I just got to travel back towards the cave and follow the path back. Oh, I'm sure they make profits. There's no doubt there. No doubt there. Satish, good question. Any plans on doing some Raspberry Pi stuff? Yeah, there's definitely plans to do that. I just haven't figured out how to quite work it into my content yet. So got to do that, and I have too many other things going on right now to introduce some new project and or device. Yeah, they've definitely made some improvements already, I can tell, with the soundtrack. Man, this hammer is awesome looking. There we go. And it destroys. Thanks for sharing, Copcat. This thing's awesome. After we hit that river up, if you want to go check something else out, Copcat, let me know and we'll go together. I've been doing a lot of the running around and figured we can check something out that you want to check out. But yeah, they're working on making this flow better. They've definitely introduced some really good music. And it also changes kind of like during the night versus the day. So it's interesting to listen to. You can hear it hopefully in the background right now. It's amazing how many improvements they really make. How many Veloren fragments do I have? I have 11. I think I just need some twigs if I'm going to make that, let's see. Yeah, I need twigs, which are really hard to find during the night. Oh, here's a twig. I said that and there's a twig right in front of me. Oh. Thanks. You can keep the, I think I have plenty of the... Oh, look at that. Now I just need some shiny gems. Can you make shiny gems? I have everything else. So you can have the Veloren fragment back. Thanks. I just need to find some shiny gems now. Here's what's funny. I used a bunch of them to create a bunch of collars because I thought, hey, collars are great, right? And then figured out now that there's this new scepter, which is freaking cool. Especially if you can re-heal 70 health. That's insanity. Oh, thanks again, Copcat. think I just need 2 more then. Copcat's speaking in game currently, Setish. Since we're playing. Copcat definitely likes us all because they're helping us gain items in this game right now. We just got the rarest item in the game from them. All right, we found a bunch of fireflies now. Who said don't go chasing fireflies? Well, I guess that's actually the title of the stream, but check that out. Pretty cool. It's quite beautiful, isn't it? Smash that like button for me if you're supporting the channel here, stopping by for this stream. Obrad, welcome to the stream. Glad to have you here. It's quite beautiful over here with these little fireflies hanging out. Let's see. Fly. This is when you need a flamethrower. Oh no. What kind of person does that to fireflies? They're not hurting anybody. Matsu, welcome to the stream. Thanks for stopping by. Nick, can I join right now? Of course you can join, Xvara. Come join into the game and I'll add you in. Sorry. Okay, so I could only drop all my gems, so would like to have them back after the craft scepter. Have you crafted a scepter yet? Oh, hold on. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I did not realize that. Yeah, absolutely. Let me, I thought it was just 1 gem. Thank you so much. So I will pass that back to you. The true MVP here, Copcat. Thank you so much. Now we got the scepter as well. Do I owe you anything else back? Let me know. Let's see. So where's that scepter of ours? Veloren scepter. Let's try it out. I'm not sure if I healed Copcat or not. Oh, I did. Cool. Now we're indestructible. Who is your favorite YouTuber? That's a good question. You know what? Nowadays, I spend more time making videos than actually watching them. So I don't know if I have a favorite per se, but I like... you know what? I like watching H3H3. They're fun. Well, H3 Productions or whatever they're calling themselves nowadays. They're hilarious to me. They're pretty crazy. Yeah, I just did that, Copcat. Who else? I enjoy PewDiePie. I think he's fun. All the big names, really. The Stradman, if I ever want to watch cars racing. You know, dream of those Lamborghinis and McLarens and Bugattis. That's always fun. Who else do I like? No, Leafy is here. Wasn't that dude banned? I think he's banned. Satish Kumar. You have a YouTube channel? Copcat? Not specifically. I did find that... I did find my fireflies. That's all I really wanted to do. Man, these apple trees, they're abundant with apples. Is there anything you want to do real quick, Copcat? Or do a dungeon raid or something? Let me know. What are you feeling? Maybe you want to level? Maybe you got your own thing to do? Boom! This hammer's awesome. Level 49, alright! I could use another level here. Make it an even 50 for myself. I don't see any dungeons around us though. It's probably the best place to level. Can you do some emotes? What do you mean? Emotes in what? Emotes in chat? All right, well let's see what's on the map. So that we have already cleared out that cave. I want to go search for a dungeon. Let's go search for a dungeon. I don't see anything though. All this the flowers and the greenery that they've added into the game has really made it more pleasant here. And those leaves are awesome. I love the falling leaves. Just go explore a little bit. Try to find a cave and or a dungeon. Go fall underneath the map. How does that happen? After last update, when I turn on the lamp or someone else is using it, the game starts lagging. My old good laptop could barely manage, but it was playable. What? Huh. There's honeybees all over that tree. Just stocking up on stuff over here. Let me see if I can heal you there, Copcat. Come back here. That is so awesome. Oh, this is pretty. Let's go, Copcat! Yeah, that gentle giant was freaking out because it was getting attacked. Hey, you can never tell whether they're gentle or angry until you walk up to them. You gotta take the proper precautions and start attacking right away. At least that's what I blame it on. All right. Look at those mountains. Massive. That wasn't that cute. I think the beaver looking thing looked a lot better. A lot cuter, I should say. Oh, fine, we'll leave the sheep alone. Oh, that's that's Copcat sheep. Yeah, definitely don't want to hurt that thing. Maybe there's a dungeon up here. It looks like there's something. I don't know if you can see that, Copcat, but there's something up there. Alright, so we're running out of music here, so I'm going to stop the music in the game. And then play a little bit of our own. Stopped in by the waypoint just to make sure. You never know when your glider's going to come tumbling down. All right, I think we might have a dungeon up there. Copcat, I'm getting excited over here. I see it. I see the dungeon. So if you have any Linux and or programming questions, let me know in the chat. Has anyone watched the new C++ concepts for beginners videos that I've just released this week? Hoping to do quite a bit of those. Seem to have gotten a pretty decent response. It'd be nice to stream some coding, but man, I don't want to be doing stuff like that 24/7. That's why it's nice to take a little break in Veloren once a week. Whoop. All right, dungeon raid time. Let's go. We need some music for this. All right. No worries, Copcat. Gonna get you some health there. Let's go do this. There's no dungeon that stands us. Oh. Are you allowed to record your job? Smashing 2 files in one go. No, sadly, I don't think I could record what I do at work. A lot of proprietary stuff there. I like to keep my work and life separate, I guess, too. So I don't know that I would ever want to do something like that either. Want to do my own stuff when I get off work, but yeah, I can see killing 2 birds, 1 stone like that. Make it open source, yeah. if it was only that easy. Let's see. We can support Copcat by healing. All right. Come on, why aren't you switching? Sometimes I get stuck in this loop, which is weird, where it just wants to attack with whatever I got healing. The scepter. Kind of goofy. All right, stop attacking. Stop. Uh-oh. Experiencing some lag here. Of course, we just start the dungeon out and now I'm over here lagging out. I think it's getting a little better here. Alright. Thanks, Copcat. Yeah, having a little bit of problems there lagging. Should be back. Let me know if someone let me know if it's working again for them. Undead, huh? Well, looks like you're dead again. It should be picking back up. Sorry about that. My upload speed went down to nearly 0 there for a moment. It's back up to 4K, so should be all good now. Man, Copcat's got this all figured out here in the dungeon. I was wondering why I couldn't switch my was wondering if why I couldn't switch my very long delay though. Yeah. My weapon. I was trying to switch my weapon for the longest amount of time, and just nothing would happen. Yeah, YouTube will do that to you. If it starts buffering, it's gonna kick you back. So you might just have to advance the scroll forward in order to not have as much of a delay. Although naturally there is a few seconds of delay no matter what, but it shouldn't be more than like 5 seconds or so if you're experiencing a delay. Just make sure to check that slider. Unlimited RAM. What do you think? I streamed this on a like a virtual server where, like a cloud service or something, where I can just have as much RAM as I want and always be upgrading it. That'd be kind of fun. Breaking through this this dungeon here. I think YouTube automatically fills that in based on what it thinks this game is closest to, since Veloren isn't actually on the list at YouTube. I think it fills it in with either Cube World or this Minecraft. My upload speed is like up to 20 megabits per second, I think. I stream at about 4 megabits per second. I don't need much more than that. It doesn't really benefit me too much. Copcat was higher level than the boss. How funny is that? Well, I don't need any more cultist gloves, so maybe we could pick that up and just give it to someone in town. I think that's the next thing I want to do, is go town and just maybe help someone out, if there's anyone even in the game, honestly. There's the goblet. The goblet's there. Thanks for letting me know there, KTNXD. I didn't turn it down from earlier. Yeah, let me know if it's ever loud, guys and gals. Look at me, I'm the captain now. Copcat, nice. I'm too loud? Well, that one just, that one I don't know about. Hopefully the music's better now. Play Fortnite? That's not something I've ever played. That's one way to get on and get wrecked. Play a game that you've never played. I don't know, is that a game a lot of you play? If you're watching this stream, go ahead and make sure to smash that like button for me. Help support the channel. Help support me. I overdid it this week. I think I posted about four or five videos. 4 videos already. With this one, I think it's my 5th one. Told myself I'd only do Tuesdays and Thursdays, and then all of a sudden I'm posting like every day. Looks like we got mixed feelings about Fortnite here. So Copcat, let me see if I'm gonna go. Let me see. Let's see if I can talk to Goblet. So let's see if we can drop some items off. Mark doesn't seem to like Fortnite. It's bad. Mixed reviews, mixed reviews. All right. Bump, 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 bump. Hey Jay, good question. Personally, I like Vim. But that's just my personal opinion. But I know that Swollen Burke's going to start arguing here in a second about using Emacs, so get ready for it. See where Goblet's at right now. Japanese emo dude, are you trying to start the holy war? Nice. Nosy, welcome to the stream. Thanks for stopping by. Glad to see you here. Satish, no Instagram. Really, I'm not on any social media besides if you want to consider YouTube some form of social media here, since you can share videos and posts. It's really all I'm on. If you want to catch me in the DMs, you can catch me on Discord. Check it out on the About Me page. Also, smash the crap out of that like button for me right now. Nosy, welcome, welcome. KT and XDU. Coming for the person who probably uses Discord the most. Yes, and if you're going to hit that dislike button, make sure you smash it twice for me. Satish, now you're just playing with my feelings. That's not cool. You can only do that with the dislike button. I think we lost our Goblet. I don't think Goblet's in anymore. Or doesn't want to talk. I don't know what you're doing wrong. So it installs all fine, Nosy. And then you can't. And then you just can't get to the... Can't get to TTY. So strange. I've never had something like that happen. What's being displayed? Is there an error? Is it just a black screen? Have you tried hitting like Control Alt F2, F1, spamming that for a little bit? Control Alt one of the F keys. That should open up various different TTY sessions for you. Oh, we found the good old world again. Oh. Iterator who died from fall damage. Funny. If it displays that, have you tried just spamming enter a little bit, seeing if you get the if you get asked to log in, and have you just tried logging in with your username and then pressing enter and typing in your password? Sometimes there's a glitch where Ubuntu server doesn't display the prompt to log in, and it just requires you to tap enter a couple times and start entering in your creds without any kind of a prompt. Some more Fireflies. I think we just found a little townhouse up here. Oh no, it's a complete village. Oh, wait a second. We're back at the main village. Whoa. Copcat rolling through the fields. Or I should say the hills. Yes, there's a Savvy People Discord server if you want to check it out. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe. I know I can see the analytics. It's like over 98% of people aren't subscribed here. Subscribe. You can always unsubscribe if you don't like it. At least you'll get notifications for the stream. Or so we'd like to think. Yep, Copcat back to spawn. I wonder where Goblet is. Whoa. Copcat's trying to set the village on fire. Not too happy. There you go, Christo, but don't. Please don't. AJ, do I play Minecraft? No, I don't play Minecraft. At least not anymore. I messed with it a little bit before, but... Yeah, I was going to say the next thing is the graphics card, but it just seems weird. Shouldn't be anything to go ahead and render the TTY. I don't know. I really don't. Unless it's loading something up and something's failing to load one of the drivers, isn't communicating properly to your hardware. That's pretty cool. Maybe that's what's happening. Oh, those are bombs, aren't they? Copcat is not happy that they're back in town. He's burning it down, throwing bombs. It's getting wild in here. Coke made an electronic Bottle? What is an electronic bottle? Three times works. I'll take 3 times. Any odd number of times works just fine. Oh, cry show. That one just had to be said, didn't it? This is kind of cool. I didn't realize you can go up here in the castle. Copcat, you teach me all sorts of things here. Ah. Oh, fireworks. Nice. Let's see if we can craft some fireworks here. Wow, that takes a lot. And I'm out of coconuts. Better make this one worthwhile. Boom! Only craft 1 because of Veloren. Here, let me give you some Veloren so you can craft some more. I got some Veloren. That I have. Let me see if I can drop it here towards you. Veloren. There it is. About to get a fireworks show. No, thank you. And help me out all. Veloren. You mean Veloren? Compiles so long. I'm pretty sure you can just get the binary copy. You don't have to compile it. There we go. Boom. Lovely. Copcat throwing a fireworks show for us. Wow. 470 Veloren fragments, but used it all to level up to 100. Really dumb mistake. Yeah. I think it's misleading nosy secure boot. I don't think it's actually for any type of security. It just helps you boot into an operating system. Yeah, that really wasn't worth the Copcat. What a trade-off. Got the sun coming up in the... Wait a second. Got the sun coming up in the west? Isn't that a little flaw in the game? Copcat, tell me I'm wrong right now. I'm looking west, due west. At least according to the map. Sun should be... Alright. That's just a different type of a world, that's all. Yeah, there's so much Veloren hanging out in those caves. Use chainsaw. It's rather beautiful over in that corner, isn't it? Yeah, let's go. Want to lead the way, Copcat? Sounds like a good... Let's add Goblet to the mix. How about that? Since they're online. Went ahead and tried adding Goblet. Maybe maybe they join, maybe they don't. Oh. Come on, Xvara, come in. I've been waiting for you this entire time in town, and you're going to tell me you can't log in now? No, I'm just kidding. By the way, Pop and Ubuntu. No other distro. What? Pop versus Ubuntu. Vote. Oh, okay. I gotta go with Pop at the moment. At least for beginners. If I had to choose between the two. Yeah, I agree with you, Copcat. It'd be also nice if they just chose one name instead of seeing, you know, a different name when you see users log in versus when you see them here in the actual menu. And I find that if it's over like a certain amount of people online, you can't, well, I can't seem to see everybody. Cruising away. Oh, I see the cave. Nice, Copcat. Quick find. Oh, we've lost control. Oh, no. Glider down. Glider down. All right. We're safe. I like how I fall from like 300 feet. Don't get damaged at all with the glider, and then you fall like 10 feet and all of a sudden you get damaged. I'd expect if you came in too hot with a glider, you should definitely get some damage. All right, time to wreck this cave here. So what do people think about maybe exploring some Linux distributions live? Talking about them, kind of going through what they have that's either unique. Maybe I could start doing that a little bit for our streams. So, Gentoo, no, I've never used Gentoo. Haven't bothered. Linux from scratch, yes, I've done that for, well, specifically for some work stuff. I've used it, explored it, kind of had to build something from scratch, but for myself, no, I have not. Nothing I've messed around with personally. More of just for work. I would get angry. Why is that? Copcat, how long have you been playing Veloren now? All right, level 50. Around just 2 weeks? There's no way. That's awesome. Well, good for you. I didn't realize. I thought you've been here for quite a while now. I know you've been on the last few streams, so that's why I had thought so. See ya, Nosy. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, I think you're right. You really surpassed almost everybody in the game that I'm aware of. I've seen a couple 80s, but 100, that's pretty nice. Actually, 101, congratulations on the level up. See you later, Keshley. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, I gotta head out soon myself, honestly. 120, wow. Yeah, just halfway. That's crazy. That's a little bit of a bug. Love gliding in these, Oh, you found a gem? I don't even look at drops anymore. Not sure that I even need a shiny gem for anything at the moment. But it's probably good for the future. Getting close to the end of this cave. One thing I've noticed with that new scepter, you don't see the regeneration of health and how much you're actually regenerating someone with. At least from on my screen. I really actually enjoy the hammers the most. They just seem a little slow is all. The sword's pretty nice too. If I had to pick something to start out with, it'd definitely be a bow. No way. It dropped this scepter. Wow. The Veloren scepter? That's hilarious. Stuck in a loop again. Robin Hood. It's just good to level up with when you're first starting out. Seems the best way to do it, at least in my opinion. Yeah, not sure what's going on with it. Do you get any error messages? Are you trying to use Airshipper, or are you just trying to use the Veloren executable? You might want to get Airshipper so you can update things. And it also gives you a log then of what's happening. Satish, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by again. Finishing up a cave raid. Yeah, just don't paste the output here in the chat. Discord it or something. Oh, I'm lost. Here we go. All right. Way to glide out in style out of the awesome cave. That was pretty cool. It's pretty nice scenery over here, honestly. All right, and I think this is a perfect place to end the stream. Had a lot of fun as usual. Thanks so much for everyone who is stopping by. Special thanks to Copcat here in KTNXD. Copcat, thanks for joining in and running around with me today. It's always fun playing around. Christ Show, good luck with your problem. Everyone who stopped by and all the Discord members, thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't already, please smash that like button. It comes at no cost to you. And make sure to go check out some of the videos on the channel. I've got plenty of Linux and programming videos. And from time to time, I'll stream here. Got a lot of fun here in Veloren. It's a really fun game, if you like exploring anyway. And, oh, look at this animal. What is this, real quick? Some kind of a rabbit with horns. That's pretty cool. But, yeah, until next time, I'll catch you in another stream. Also, if you want, join us on Discord. Check it out on the About Me page or down in the description below. Glad to have everyone. And I'll catch you in another video. Thanks for watching.